So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to convert MP4 file to MP3 file using Python. So let's get started. So first of all, welcome you to my channel Artificial Intelligence Hub. Please like and subscribe. And let's start now. I'm gonna import a library named image.io. So first of all, you have to import this library and function of that library, and the other one movie dot editor. These two libraries you have to import these two libraries, and after that you need to pass a video. For this purpose, I'm gonna use this video. If you can see, this is the video where I'm gonna use this video here. You can this is my video. I'm gonna use this video here for converting MP4. This is the MP4 file. I'm gonna convert this file into the MP3 file. So I'm just calling this video here. So I'm just writing video is equal to movie dot editor chart video file clip, and just passing the path of that video. That the name of file was file.mp4. Let me confirm this one. Yeah, just copy this path and gonna pass here, so it will take that file and load into the variable video. So after that, I'm just taking some audios from this function using video dot audio. I'm just taking the audios of the file and write that audio into a MP3 format. So I'm going to use audio dot write audio file, and here I'm going to write here source dot mp4. Here, or maybe I'm gonna write output dot mp4 and print here converted successfully. So let's run this code. Yeah, the code is running. It takes some time here. The video is big. Oh, I got some error here. Let me check here. Yeah, I'm sorry. I think I did a mistake. I write mp4. I have to write mp3 here. So let's run it and check it show error or not again. Yeah, it's converting. You can see here it's converting the mp4 file into the mp3 file. So yeah, successfully converted. So let me check the file here. So I'm gonna play the file. So you can see that the file is working and it's converted the mp4 file into the mp3 file. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. So don't worry, I will upload this code into my GitHub repository. You can just download this code and you can learn more stuff here. Thank you so much.